Hi everybody. Today, April is going to be born. This is April. This is a custom. She's got a lot of dark brown hair. We fill up her head. Put a little polyfill in. Her legs and arms are done. She has a magnet in her mouth for a pacifier. Her mommy could purchase a pacifier, or if she already has a pacifier, to give her. This is a little practice pacifier. So that's her magnet. Now we're going to fill up her head with beads. You're like a floppy-headed baby. More beads. Very tiny little beads. For the body, I use bigger beads. Here, watch. Push them in. I use new knee-high stockings. I like my babies to be nicely weighted, so they feel like a real baby. Oh, she's getting full. Ooh. Don't drop the beads everywhere. Okay, now I'm going to knot it. This is a stocking. I use knee highs. I cut them. Oh. Push it in. She's got a heavy head. Fill with the rest with polyfill. Then the body will be next. She has pierced ears too. Did you see that? Hold on, I'll show you. A little more polyfill. I use E6000 to glue in the magnet for her pacifier. Okay. Can you see her earrings? Oh, look at that. She's cute. So next will be her body. And then I'll come back and show you her all done. Here's her body. And we're going to fill it with the polyfill and some more glass beads. I'm going to use the bigger glass beads. Oh, look at that. Magic. These are the bigger glass beads. See them? They're bigger. They're like little glass bowls. So, I'll be back. You'll see the completed baby shortly. Have a good day.